made it to Crystal Cove. Alright, so we're going to go look in a cave and whatever and go for a walk. Yeah, we'll take them off and carry them. I'm going to do the same now. I'll bring them. I don't need them, but we'll need them in the cave, I think.
Yeah.
Quick.
I'm looking where I'm on
Mm-hmm. Scan your ticket.
What ticket, ma'am?
Put ticket there. Love.
Hello guys, welcome to Crystal Cove Island.
Thank you. Wow. What do you reckon, Fia?
Yeah, it's cool.
Up the stairs we go. Other side of the island. Down the cave.
You
have a big body.
Yeah, I will be very
Careful. Down we go. Too tight fit, eh? Here we go, we're in Crystal Cove. Hey? Let's call it, right? Don't record me. I can touch. You can touch. Yeah, it's not that. It's a bit cooler in here. Up here, bud. Come on, this way.
You
don't drag me under. Yeah, I'm stepping on my toes. I got in the water, how good. Rocks you can, but when you're not on the rocks you can't.
What happened?
When you're on the rocks you can touch it, when you're not.
Huh?
When you're on the rocks you can touch it.
Oh yeah.
Right, come back this way.
So now we are going to go parasailing. Parasailing, yeah.
Rough powered parasailing, yeah? You excited, Fia? Fia, you excited?
No.
Scared?
Yes.
Scared?
No.
Scared?
Probably.
Yes?
So you're scared?
Nah, just joking. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Stay there.
Take my foot. You will be at the front.
At the
because
front,
you
yep.
have a camera.
Are you right?
What happened?
Alright.
We
Just
start at the second one, yeah. Other side. Other side.
on here.
We start at the second one.
Oh, yeah. We haven't even started yet.
How about tsunami?
Put your foot over in here, yep.
I'm really excited, I'm scared.
You'll be right. What do you get?
Oh, this is so scary. Nothing's real.
Okay, guys, picture first.
Good shot.
Fuck you.
What do you reckon?
We haven't even started yet.
Your life? Oh,
You
yeah,
have to
yeah.
hold on as tight as you can, otherwise you're dead.
Yeah, mine's big
If
too.
you don't hold on tight, yeah, you're going. You gotta jump. So you gotta hold on as tight.
Here we go.
Say hi at the video.
Hi. Here we go.
We're doing banana. Hold on.
Hold on.
It's gonna go very fast.
Hold on. I'll be right there.
Oh my gosh!
You sound like you're crying.
Nothing's even happening.
Nothing's happening, but we're literally moving. Well, we gotta hold on for, like, we're going on for dear life.
Wave. Hold on. He's gonna take pictures. Well, that's our banana boat. How'd you go?
Oh, that was so fun.
Yeah?
Mum almost fell off.
Dad nearly fell off too.
I was like,
Woo!
Next, sir.
Yeah, me.
Sir, you want to do? Happy birthday.